Hey folks, today I'm diving into why guava is your health's best friend. This humble tropical fruit packs a punch with its impressive health benefits. First off, guavas are rich in vitamin C. Just one guava covers more than double your daily requirement. That means it's a powerhouse for boosting your immune system and keeping those colds at bay. Next, let's talk about fiber. Guavas are loaded with it, which helps keep your digestive system in check. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to a happy gut. But wait, there's more. Guavas contain antioxidants like lycopene and quercetin. These guys fight off free radicals, helping to keep your skin glowing and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. And for those watching their blood sugar levels, guavas can be your ally. They have a low glycemic index, which means they won't spike your sugar levels. Plus, they're delicious and versatile. You can enjoy them fresh in smoothies, salads, or even as a tasty guava jam. So next time you're at the store, grab a few guavas and give your health a tasty boost. Remember, a little guava goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips. Catch you next time, folks.